have no idea what's going on here. Apparently we have to get a bus to then get a train, even if you just booked a train. What a nightmare. So what happened was we came to get the train and we're just not going to be able to because apparently has some constructions going on in a way to Zagreb, so the trains are not working. And initially I booked a bus and then we canceled because I thought, oh, it's going to be nicer if we can go by train. And then we booked the train, we booked the first class because we thought, oh, it's going to be nice, we can relax a little bit better. And we actually just find out and there's nothing they can do. We will see if we can try and get a refund because we really wanted to go by train and we canceled everything, we booked again, whatever. But well, it is what it is, and I guess now we're gonna go by bus. I just hope that these seats can be available for the whole time so we can be more comfortable.
It's all right. This is a direct one, so it's just frustrating because there was nothing on the website saying this, like nothing.
Yeah, no one came, like, just very, very loose information. Right, this is our second stop after we got to the bus. We have another hour to arrive in Zagreb. Like, ends up is not that bad really. It was like quite pleasant, to be honest.
Oh,
it is, yeah.
I wasn't comfy. I don't think it was comfortable. I can't be bothered to stop here. I wanted to go on the train.
I wanted to go on the train as well, but I didn't thought it was too bad. The driver was fine. Like, he doesn't speak to us, we don't know what's going on, but he drives well. It's just because after Albania anything that is a little bit better is a bonus for us. So yeah, I think it's been quite nice. It's not been too bad.
Yeah, I mean, if I knew I was coming on a bus, I'd be all right. This bus stop is quite nice. The cafe inside is pretty pleasant. I think this is a nice long stop. I think we're here for like 30 minutes at least because I saw the driver getting food, so I mean, it's all right. It's just
It's just pissed.
Oh well. Yeah, but it's been easy enough. You're right.
Yeah, it's not like I thought it's gonna be much worse than it is, and it's been quite quick.
Pretty
to be
spacious.
Honest. Yeah.
Also, we've got our own hotspot, aka my phone and Airalo. You can use the link below to get $3 off of your data.
This looks so good.
Oh yeah.
Well, turns out the soup looked too good. And I have to at least get one to split.
Yeah.
So we get some bread, some soup.
Very excited for this, to be fair. It looks good. I was saying I was hungry for our pasta that we'd already got ready to eat on the train. But this, all right, this has turned it around. I'm going to be all right now.
Going to our Airbnb, which is very central. It's like 11 minutes by walking. So let's go.
This Airbnb is really cute, right?
Yeah.
But where's the bed? Where do we sleep?
I think we're sleeping here in the sofa.
Or is it up there?
Here's where we sleep.
There you go. Right in the middle of Zagreb. This is really cool.
Yeah,
we should put the link to this Airbnb in the description. Yeah, we'll put the link in the description below. And our host is just amazing, so I'm definitely put it here. Now we just put our all bags here, organize everything. Just gonna go now to see and explore the city because we're very excited for Zagreb. All right, now let's go on our walking tour for Zagreb and get our first impressions.
Every time we go to a new city, right away we try to find a walking tour because it's the best way to see everything and to know better about the history. So here we are doing a walking tour. Follow us along.
Funny, I was literally thinking, I was a bit upset that this cathedral seemed to be under construction until our tour guide told us that that cathedral has been under construction forever. In its whole 30 years of life, it's been under construction. They were going to finish it in 2020, but then they got an earthquake. So, yeah. Looks pretty up close, but that's what you get when you build a cathedral in a cold place with porous rock. What about these hills?
I didn't know. I thought Zagreb was all flat, but we're all wrong about Croatia. Every time we go to a different place, a surprise. After the walking tour, we're just very hungry, so we decided to come to Capuciner's to try some Croatian food, and we're very excited. But everything about what we're gonna eat today is gonna be in the next video in our food tour, so make sure you subscribe and hit the like button because we're gonna put this in the next video.
It's like thicker.
It's very thicker and I don't know, just different shape.
Alright, so it's the next morning now. We've just been to the gym and we're reflecting on this walking, so we thought it was really good, right?
Yeah, it was very nice. The guy was very fun as well, how he explained everything. It was like easy to understand and very enjoyable.
Yeah, definitely worth it. You've got a link to put in the description?
Yeah, I'm gonna put the link in the description below because really worth.
Yeah, so that was our walking tour, that was our commute. Originally this video was going to be all about getting the train across from Split to Zagreb. Obviously that didn't quite work out, so instead we'll just leave it here as our first sort of impressions of the city. It wasn't exactly what we expected. Firstly, it was colder. Secondly, yeah, it's different enough to Split, which of course it is. It's a complete different city.
I think it's very green and beautiful, very clean as well. Like it's just a very nice capital. Like
yeah, definitely.
Yeah, we're talking about yesterday that we enjoy coming to visit the capitals. We don't enjoy to stay in them, but really enjoy when you come because so much to do, so much to see, like different people.
Lots of fascinating history as well, especially really here with the upper and the lower parts. Lots of food to try, which will be our next video.
Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel because in the next video is gonna be super cool. Thank you so much for watching it and I see you in our food tour.